What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back for another video. Back in downtown LA. Got a couple shops we need to check out. Let's go. Jumpman LA, they did board up their windows. Did they get hit up? I don't know. All right, let's go see what's up here at 620 South Broadway. All right, of course I gotta look up the Alma Manier stuff. All that stuff is gone. Hopefully you guys were able to get something because they had all that Alma Manier stuff. Hopefully you guys were able to grab something because all that stuff was fire and it's on sale. They still have this right here. Let's see if they have anything new. We're definitely gonna check out the stuff on sale, but we're gonna see what other stuff they got. Like, this is fire. I've never seen this. It's the Maison. This is the Maison Chateau Rouge. This is fire. Holy crap, this matches the twos that came out a while back. It's a leather jacket, leather jacket. I don't know. But yeah, that is fire. Definitely premium price tag, $750. Definitely is premium product, but yeah, do I got $750 for that? Hell no, hell no. Oh, this one is one of the ones on sale. One of the flight. I don't think they have, yeah, it's not marked over here, but it was on sale. Okay. Long sleeve polo right here, $72.50. I think this is the women's. Yeah, the women's section, $87.50 for that. Who's this? Who's this a collab with? I don't know who that's a collab with, but a collab with somebody. Nice little tank top. $60 for that. Dang. And then do got another flight hoodie right here. This is in the women's though. Kind of like an orangish pinkish colorway, going for $90. Did they steal one of these from Carl's Jr.? No. Remember all the classic car people? They would steal the numbers for when their cars were made. That was funny. All right, I did hear that there were some additional markdowns. Someone happened to stop by. They still have these Soulfly shirts. It's like a triple XL though. Triple XL, and these were 15. As of last week when we came, yeah, $15. Double XL. Got this flight shirt right here down to $15. The heck is that on the back? Got more of the Mookie Betts shirts, still going for $8. This flight shirt right here, damn, is everybody buying these up? Damn, dude. The resellers are coming and buying everything up. $26 or $25.50 for this Jumpman hoodie right here. And then the undefeated hoodies. I did hear that these went down in price. $35, $35.97 to $36. Still got the Alma Manier. Oh, still got a large. And these are fire, dude. Almost hoodie weather, almost back to that. Fix that for them. And then still got the Soulfly hoodie too. Still got the Soulfly hoodie, double XL, $40 for that. And then this jacket, $150. Tank top for the women, go for $20. Got a jacket right here. This shirt is dope, dude. $30 for this. They only have XLs now. Dang it. Looks like all the We the Best shorts are gone. Damn, dude. Who's really watching my videos and grabbing everything, dude? That's cool. I'm gonna see if they have a medium on this. Is Jordan lifting some weights? Is that, I don't know how much is on each side. And then got a undefeated logo right there. They had another undefeated one as of yesterday, and I guess it sold out. Dang it, y'all gobbling everything up. And they do have the We the Best. These bad boys right here. I don't know, the jogging pants. I do got these. What's this on sale for? This is going for $45, normally $150. So I think most of these are 70% off, it looks like. All right, so they only have these in a large and bigger. And dang it, medium's usually my size. Let me try this one on though. Yeah, that's way too big. Dang it, I should have came yesterday, right after they did the markdowns. Dope. Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pass on that. Dang it, I should have came yesterday. I just didn't have time. Like, this one's not bad for $25, $25. That's not bad, but yeah, these ain't bad. They also have another undefeated one, but that one's not on sale, the one with the camo and stuff. And this is still fire, dude. I don't know how this is still here. I can't really tell if it's black or brown. It looks black. I'll be honest, it just looks black. Dang it. This one's alright too. And then this is the Jordan wall. We've come here 3 weeks straight now, so not crazy different. They do have these 11 low IEs, black with the gray. I don't know what colorway this is, but yeah, this just came out last day or two. These are going for $185. Oh, these came out today? Oh, okay, these just came out today. $185. I'm starting to appreciate these more. I'm not gonna lie. I'm starting to appreciate the 11 low IEs. Yeah, I need to grab at least one of these. I do like the 11s. These you don't have to worry about all the creasing and stuff with the patent leather, so I might have to grab one. I'm gonna go somewhere else right now, see if they have one still on sale today. These bad boys right here. Still got the playoffs. If I can find one of these on sale, maybe. I got the 12s. These just came out this week as well. Are these the PSGs? Are these the PSGs? No, these aren't the PSGs. Yeah, these are the PSGs, yeah. The PSG 6 lows. These just came out within the last couple days or today, I don't know. But these just came out, one of the latest releases. 2 bills for these, a 6 low. Still got the Toro Bravos, the 5s. This seems like a collab with someone. I don't know who. I forgot to look this up when I got home. But they still have these as well. One of the few locations in LA that still has the red cement 4s. People are paying resale on these. But yeah, man, you definitely can grab yours here. Definitely worth the visit, man. I freaking love this spot. Citra 7s. Got the Bordeaux 5s. We're gonna be able to see these at the outlets, I have a feeling. Then do got the Palomino 3s. I was able to get mine at the outlets for $100, or I think it's like 128, I think. But yeah, that was definitely dope. Kids section right here, they do have the 4s that came out for the kiddos. The women's section right here. Then got all the men's. They even have extra stuff, so they have them on displays over here. Dang, they just got all kinds of Jordans. They got the 8s right here for the kiddos. 2s. I forgot who these were a collab. I forgot to find out who that was with. And they even got 7s and some of the 37s right there. Then they still have the display of all the OG stuff right here. One of the dopest Jordan displays around. Dang, I never liked these 14s when I was younger, but I'm starting to love these. I so wish I had the last shot right here. I freaking love these. 15s get no love. I kind of wish I had an OG pair of these as well. I do have the Billie Eilish ones, but they're kind of ugly. I grabbed them because I don't have any of the 15s. These right here are fire. 18s, I like these. These are hella premium. These are the few years where they try to make the Jordan basketball signatures into a super luxury shoe. 19s right here. Supposed to emulate the snakeskin up front. And then this is the one that started it. Came with a dope case. Came with like a fire metal case and everything. Now these 17s, these were dope, dude. Damn, I should have got the last one that came out. Last one that came out was what, 2018, 2019? It's been a cool minute. And then of course they got the OGs. Got the OGs with the crumbling midsole right there. These are all fire. The white cement 4s, I still don't have one of those. Metallic blacks, don't have that. I don't think that's the infrared. What's that, the fire red 6s? I don't remember. There's another red one, I forgot what it was. And then the ones that really get no love, these are the years where they changed it to the year. They got rid of the numbers for a while. They moved on to the years. I forgot what year that is. But yeah, man. the rain boots version right there. And then the Spider-Man ones, that's Shaq's pair right there. And then we're out. Let's go. Got a few more shops to hit up. Dude got a Foot Locker just a block away. Man, I forgot to tell you guys, man, it took me 15 minutes to find parking. I had to drive around here like 3 times. Like, that's the worst parking's ever been. That's why your boy has a membership program, because I'm wasting time doing all this stuff. Make sure you guys look that up. Still got these 4s. You still got them. That is pretty fire, fools. So checking them out. One of the few places that still has them, I'm telling you. Haven't seen these at too many spots. Yeah, this is the one I'm thinking about grabbing these, especially if I can find it for hella cheap. Yeah, like I said, I'm starting to appreciate them a little bit more. They are one of the OG silhouettes, I'm telling y'all, for some of you new collectors. AJKO 1s. Dang, they're on sale. That is crazy. Starting to see all kinds of Jordans on sale now. And these playoffs, I'm still hoping these playoffs go on sale. $210 for those. And then dude got Reeboks just being given away, classic leathers. I did buy one of these hair ones, and I'm gonna be honest, I put them on and I wasn't the biggest fan. They're just way too bright. You want a more subtle colorway. Look at this classic leathers, right? $15 for classic leathers. Are you effing serious? Holy cow. Better than those Champion shoes for 15 bucks. Got RXX right here, RSX go for $40. Then of course, checking out the stuff on sale. These are fitted hats, but yeah, new era fitted hats, size 7, go for $30. If you're a Doyer fan right there. Got a couple other sizes right here. They're all 7s, what the hell? Yeah, Adidas hat, anything good? Bulls hat, 7 3/4, 20 bucks. 20 bucks for those, that's a pretty fire deal. I think that's about it though, man. That's about it. Yeah, man. And then of course I did check out all the racks, check to see if they have a 70% one. They do not, they don't. So we're gonna check out another spot. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of driving. But yeah, I'm trying to get you guys plenty of content. That's why I'm asking for assistance in a membership, because I'm about to drive across town now. All right, just for this one video. All right, let's go. And then another trip to Huntington Park, Shoe Palace, clearance store, 25% off everything. How long are they open? Who knows? Who knows? They might close tomorrow. Who knows? All right, checking out the Jordan. See if they have any new releases. No, not really, because they had the red cement 4s, which is dumb as hell. Yeah, they did have no other releases. Still got these for $100. Remember, you do get 25% off. This is a size 10 right here. Size 10. I might have to grab these. I know I shouldn't. I'm on my way to Vegas in a few days. Visionaires as well as the Heritage, I think. Still got these 7s right here. $160 for those. These should be on sale. Yeah, $140 for these bad boys. I did buy these. Grabbed these for $35. Will I wear them? People are like, you're probably never gonna. I don't know. You guys might be right. But Dornbeckers for $35, I just had to. Freaking had to. I kind of want these as well. These are fire, dude. I love the Air More Up Tempos. I'm just like, what would I wear this with? I don't really have anything orange. I don't think I have one piece of orange clothing. Could wear it with all black or all white, but I have too many shoes I could do that with. LeBron's, Kyrie's, Zoom. I was gonna say Zoom rookies. Air Flight 95s. Got some ACG. These locates, yeah, go for $80. These are pretty clean if you like ACG. I know ACG fans love ACGs. Then all kinds of these blazers, more blazers. $60 for the jumbos, $80 for those. Jumbo lows go for $80, $70 for these bad boys. Remember, you do get an extra 25% off everything. $50 for those. All right, biggest size they got is a size 10. Let me try it. Yeah, I could definitely do a size 10. $75, dude. Do I like the way they look though? Hey, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of them on feet though. I do want them. Just because I want one of everything. But I'm not the biggest fan of them on feet. I'm not gonna lie. For $75 though, that's the question. Gonna think about it. I've already bought a few pairs of sneakers this month. I think I bought 3 pairs already this month. Let me think about it. Do got sales items here in the back. They got sales items everywhere. Nike, is that Tech Fleece? Got these bad boys, $90 for these right here. Got them in a couple different colorways. Got ACG hoodie right here. $80 for those as well. Remember, you get 25% off everything. ACG shirts. And then they got, I think these are the Mexico. Yeah, the Mexico shirts right here. Adidas Mexico shirts for the World Cup. Normally $35 down to $15. And then you get an extra 25% off. Don't know what sizes they have. One large, a bunch of medium sizes right there. North Face. What's else? One of the shoe pals have North Face. But yeah, 180 down to 125, and that is a small. Bunch of the Maison article shorts. Go for $10. Got them for women as well. Go for $10. Oh, those are the sock race shorts. And they got Nike fleece right here. How much are these going for? These are down to $20. And then 25% off, that's 15 bucks. 15 bucks for fleece. These are better deals than you got at the freaking Nike outlets. That is crazy. Nike outlets have been stingy as hell with their apparel lately. I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, I got these for 30. These are Nike right here. And there's some thick Nike fleece. They're not bad. They're not bad. They're not super long though. Yeah, 30. Normally 75. They do have ventilation on the side, and then got pockets as well. Okay, 75 down to 30. Remember, you get 25 off on top. Tank tops for the women, Jordan tank tops, normally 57 down to 40. Got shorts. These aren't the booty shorts though. These are just the regular long shorts, going for 60. Got tank tops, which look dope on girls, going for $30. Normally $47.50. Got these tank tops as well. They called tank tops? That's what they're called, right? $25 normally. What? Normally $47. Yeah, $42. Normally $42.50. Got more stuff right here. They got decent apparel. They do have decent apparel deals. 40 for those. Those are normally 60. And they got a, so it's a Flight Club shirt right here, going for $25. That's some bullshit. Like, they were charging 60 for these last week. I did pick one up, and then now they drop it to 50 because it is 50 everywhere else. But I do get that extra 25 off. Damn, now I wish I waited, because if it was 50 then 25 off, I would have saved at least $10 or like 11 or 12. But yeah, 50 bucks, you get another 25 off. That is pretty freaking fire, dude. Pretty fire. That's under $40, like 38 something or something. I don't know. Trae Young 2s going for 50. GLI 3s right here. These are going for 40. Pretty dope. Colorway, that's not bad. I like the materials. Super long hair suede. They got the Prestos. Lakers, LeBron's going for 100 bucks. Got plenty on sale. Definitely worth a visit. Got the Cortezes. Those are huge. The size 15. Those are down to what, $90. You get an extra discount on top of that. All right, but I think we're done. Have seen pretty much everything here, or most of the interesting. Make sure you guys stop by. And that's pretty much about it. Make sure you guys help our boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. And then check out that membership, man. Y'all want to help our boy out? Check out that membership. All right, so more $4 an hour parking. I just put $4. How come it gave me 56 minutes? Dang, LA be ripping everybody off. It even says $4 an hour right there, and then they give me 56 minutes. Ain't that about a mother lover, man? What the...